How to fix CapCut lag. So if you try to open your CapCut application, and if you try to log into your account, and if you try to use the new project, or if you try to do something on your CapCut or do the editing, and if it lags, then the first thing you need to do under your CapCut is you need to go for the settings, which is on the upper right. Tap on the settings, and under your settings you will have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and then tap on confirm, and you need to clear all of the cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to check your internet connection, and once your internet connection is stable, you can simply go for your Play Store or your App Store, and you can go for the search bar and search for CapCut. Once you've searched, here you may have an update option. So if you have an update option under your CapCut, then you need to simply tap on update, and you need to update your application, because if your app is not up to date, then you might find some kind of problems. So simply tap on update and update your application. And once you update, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply remove that, and you can simply tap and hold on to that CapCut application and then go for app info. And under your app info, you may have storage and cache. Tap on that and then go for clear cache, and you need to clear all of the cache under your CapCut. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply uninstall the application by tapping on uninstall. And once you uninstall, you can again go back to the Play Store and you need to again install the application. And once you've done all of these settings, you need to simply restart your device. So once you restart your device, your settings will work and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you fix your CapCut lag problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.